The AI world is changing rapidly right now. China just revealed something that left everyone in awe. It's called Seedream 4.0, and it's incredibly powerful. Many are saying it even surpasses Google's top model. Yes, the so-called Nano banana seems to have met its match. That's Google's viral model from earlier this year, the one that dominated every trending social media feed. But now, TikTok's parent company is making a bold move. ByteDance didn't come in quietly with this launch. They entered the arena with undeniable confidence. They're claiming Seedream is faster, sharper, and unstoppable. And the wildest part? It's already open source. This isn't just a challenge to Google's reign. It marks a significant shift in global AI influence. Remember when Gemini's image generator took the internet by storm? Its meme-style edits and stunning visuals ruled the online world. For months, no one could rival that momentum. People thought Google had secured that title for good. But the first competitor wasn't OpenAI or Meta. It was ByteDance, transitioning from entertainment to intelligence. Seedream 4.0 isn't just another generator. It's a game changer. It combines creation and editing in one seamless system. You can build and transform without any hassle. This is a significant upgrade from previous models. It operates over 10 times faster than before. And that speed isn't just talk. Early benchmarks back it up. On the Magic Bench platform, the results were astonishing. Prompt accuracy even surpassed Google's Gemini outputs. Visual alignment is sharper, cleaner, and incredibly detailed. Independent testers have called it a major leap forward. But here's where it gets intriguing. ByteDance hasn't released a technical paper yet. All these impressive claims are based on internal data. Still, the demos floating around online are incredibly convincing. Pricing reveals something crucial about their strategy. Google offers Nano Banana for free for everyday users. In contrast, ByteDance starts charging professional rates right away. It's $30 for every 10,000 generations. Quite the deal. They're targeting businesses, creators, and serious professionals directly. This isn't just a playground, it's a serious tool. Designed as a production-grade creative powerhouse. The features? Simply hard to ignore. Imagine generating in 2K and 4K resolution. Crisp, cinematic quality that outshines many competitors. You can upload 6 reference images. The AI studies them and shapes the final results. This makes brand consistency easier than ever. Aspect ratios? You can choose anything you want. No more fixed frames holding you back. Here, flexibility is total and artist-friendly. Editing functions have caught massive attention. Just type a quick text prompt and watch things transform. Background changes, object swaps, even fine retouching, instant results. The precision has shocked even seasoned AI artists. Right now, Seedream is live in China. It's available inside ByteDance's apps, integrated and accessible. Corporate partners access it through their Volcano engine. And globally, ByteDance has partnered with FreePic for the release. You can test it right now, no matter where you are in the world. Users are already sharing their wild creations across social media platforms. But this isn't just about flashy outputs. It's about China stepping into the spotlight of AI leadership. For years, we focused on Silicon Valley as the tech hub. Now, challengers are emerging from unexpected corners of the globe. Seedream 4.0 shows that competition is truly global now. With each new release, the stakes keep climbing higher. And this isn't the only story making waves today. Meta, Alibaba, and even MIT are making significant moves. What they're building could change everything once again. First, let's dive into how Meta is reshaping something deeply personal: human relationships. Meta is setting its sights on your heart. Yes, Facebook's parent company is reinventing online dating, and they're not doing it quietly either. They just launched an AI-driven dating upgrade. This could completely disrupt the swiping culture forever. The new feature includes two bold innovations. First, there's the AI-powered dating assistant. Second, a surprise element called Meet Cute. Together, they aim to break the endless digital cycles. Think about it. Swiping left, swiping right, repeating endlessly. Most people never reach anything meaningful that way. Meta wants to shatter that broken system. The dating assistant acts like a personal guide. It helps refine your profile with AI precision. It suggests matches based on deeper personal insights. It even recommends conversation starters and date ideas. This isn't just software. It feels like matchmaking. But here's what makes it incredibly unique today. Instead of filters like age, job, or location, you can type anything hyper-specific into prompts. Want a musician in Brooklyn with a financial background? The assistant actually reshapes your search intelligently. It understands niche requests, not just basic categories. That's something older dating platforms never truly mastered. And then comes the surprise called Meet Cute. Once a week, the algorithm delivers a wild card. A single unexpected match drops into your inbox. You can talk or you can just skip. But the system is designed to break patterns. It forces users to see outside comfort zones. That surprise element alone makes the process addictive. Meta has just launched something exciting in North America. They're focusing on younger adults, ages 18 to 29. This is the group that's really shaping online dating culture. Early results are already showing some promising signs. Match rates have increased by 10% since last year. Believe it or not, people are actually meeting more thanks to AI. This timing? It's no coincidence. Meta sees an opportunity while competitors are struggling. Match Group, the company behind Tinder and Hinge, teamed up with OpenAI for smarter dating experiences, but their stock has taken a hit, crashing 68% recently. Meta senses an opening and is ready to make its move. Think about what this could mean for all of us. Dating apps are how millions find relationships today. If AI changes that experience, it could shift our culture too. The cycle of ghosting might actually lessen. Personalized matches could help eliminate fake profiles quickly. And conversations could finally feel more genuine again. Meta isn't just after love for users, they're also after data, engagement, and market dominance. Every conversation, every preference, every decision is data. That data fuels better targeting and stronger profits. It may feel like romance, but it's really strategy. A strategy to control more of human interaction. This reveals something much bigger at play. AI isn't just about robots and coding anymore. It's weaving into our most personal spaces. Friendship, dating, family, all are being reshaped right now. When companies hold those connections, they hold power. But Meta isn't the only giant making moves. Alibaba has stepped forward with something breathtaking. Not about dating, but about vision and reasoning. Their new model, Qwen 3VL, is rewriting possibilities. The features inside will make you pause and think. This isn't just about recognizing pictures anymore. It's about reasoning, planning, and interacting with worlds. A system that sees, understands, and actually thinks. This might be the model that redefines multimodal AI. Alibaba has just raised the global stakes. Their new release is called Qwen 3VL, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. This isn't just about describing visual content. It's about reasoning, understanding, and executing with intelligence. Two versions of the model have launched. One is tuned for perception and instruction. The other is designed for deep reasoning. Together, they push vision language AI into uncharted territory. And yes, this model is fully open source. Here's why that matters more than hype. Most top-tier models today remain tightly closed. Google, OpenAI, and others protect their formulas. Alibaba, instead, is opening the doors completely. That move empowers researchers, developers, and global competition. Now, let's talk raw capability for a moment. Qwen 3VL handles enormous amounts of information seamlessly. It processes up to 1 million tokens directly. That means entire books or full-length videos. Imagine AI digesting textbooks, movies, or massive data sets, and still keeping track of every single detail. But it's not just about scale here. It's about how the model reasons visually. Do not merge or mix any sentence in this script. Use one visual for one sentence. Do not repeat any visual in this script at any cost. It can solve visual math, interpret sketches. It can navigate digital interfaces and even generate functional code. This isn't just a description. It's execution in real time. Alibaba credits its leap to 3 key upgrades. First is a positional scheme called interleaved M-rope. It balances both spatial and temporal information effectively. Second is deep stack technology inside the model. It aligns vision features with language layers sharply. And third is timestamp reasoning for video accuracy. Together, these breakthroughs give Qwen unmatched versatility today. Benchmarks already tell a striking, surprising story here. The Instruct version rivals Gemini's professional visual performance. The reasoning version surpasses Gemini in complex challenges, especially in areas like math-heavy visual problem-solving. This positions Alibaba as a new, serious contender. Think about what that actually represents globally. China is not simply catching up anymore. They are pushing into leadership with conviction. By open-sourcing this, they're also inviting collaboration. That creates ecosystems Google and OpenAI can't ignore. Do not merge or mix any sentence in this script. Use one visual for one sentence. Do not repeat any visual in this script at any cost. And what about practical use for everyday people? Well, picture turning a napkin sketch into software, or scanning a textbook and asking contextual questions, or navigating a cluttered interface with seamless AI support. These are no longer fantasies, they're demonstrations happening now. The global AI race is shifting gears quickly. For years, the spotlight stayed on Silicon Valley. But now, Asia's giants are rewriting the narrative. From ByteDance with Seedream to Alibaba with Qwen, the competition feels like a technological storm brewing. But breakthroughs aren't only coming from corporations. Universities are making waves with their own discoveries, and one in particular deserves your full attention. Because researchers at MIT cracked a huge challenge. They've taught AI how to plan almost perfectly. This has been one of AI's greatest weaknesses. Language models often create steps that collapse logically. They sound convincing, but fail in actual execution. MIT's new framework changes that story dramatically. It's called PDDL Instruct, and it's brilliant in design. MIT's framework. PDDL Instruct is truly groundbreaking. It combines symbolic reasoning with the creativity of language models. This allows AI to plan with real logic, not just sounding correct, but executing correctly. Let me break down the process for you step by step. First, the model generates explicit reasoning state traces. Each action is mapped with detailed logical transitions. Then, every single step is carefully verified. A validator tool checks conditions and exact outcomes. If something fails, feedback loops guide corrections instantly. The results? Nothing short of shocking. On classical benchmarks, performance skyrocketed beyond old limits. In tasks like Block's World, accuracy neared perfection. In tougher challenges, improvements reached 60 times higher. This is a true breakthrough in AI reasoning. So, why should you care about these planning improvements? Because planning is at the core of intelligence. Without planning, AI is limited to surface-level tricks. With it, systems can build, navigate, and create. They can reason through obstacles with near-human persistence. Imagine robots navigating cities flawlessly, without a single error. Picture AI doctors mapping out treatments step by step, effectively and efficiently. Think of software engineers designing entire systems with pinpoint precision. That future hinges on our ability to plan logically and accurately. And guess what? MIT is making that future a reality, much closer than we think. But here's the twist. The industry isn't sitting idle. Corporations are rapidly scaling their infrastructure to meet demands. OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank are at the forefront of this movement. They've just expanded Stargate, a mega data center that's a game-changer. This isn't just big, it's unimaginably massive in scale. 5 new sites have been announced across America, ready to go. The capacity is set to reach an astounding 7 gigawatts. Investment totals are already over $400 billion committed. And the ultimate goal? 10 gigawatts globally. Coming soon. That's $500 billion fueling the future of AI. These sites are strategically spread across Texas, New Mexico, and Ohio. Thousands of jobs will emerge from both construction and operation. But let's be clear. The real aim isn't just job creation. It's about dominance. Stargate is being built to serve as the brain of intelligence, a planetary-scale computer for the digital revolution of tomorrow. Imagine training models larger than anything we have today. Picture AI simulations that span entire worlds seamlessly. That's the scale we're heading toward with Stargate. And guess what? Progress is already ahead of schedule. The age of small labs? It's fading fast. This level of investment isn't just about experiments anymore. It's about reshaping economies, governments, and our daily lives. Whoever controls this infrastructure will shape the next century. And right now, the race is heating up dangerously. China is pushing forward with Seedream and Quen models. America is countering with MIT breakthroughs and Stargate power. Meta is inserting AI directly into our human relationships. The battlefield? It's everywhere. Science, society, and personal life. So, where does that leave us today? We're on the edge of the greatest transformation ever. AI is no longer just tools or gadgets. It's becoming the invisible engine of civilization itself. Here's a truth we can't ignore. Every breakthrough just widens the gap between leaders. Every investment raises the stakes even higher. And every new system feels more unstoppable every day. The question isn't if AI will dominate. It's about how and under whose control it falls. The future isn't waiting around anymore. It's here, evolving faster than we ever imagined. So, let's stay alert and curious. Get ready, because the AI revolution is just getting started.